So today I'll be showing you how to disconnect and also forget or unpair a Bluetooth device on your Google Pixel 8 or Pixel 8 Pro. So what you want to do is go into settings. On the main settings page, tap on connected devices and you should see a list of connected devices. Now we have these AirPods that are saved, and also we have this DualSense wireless controller which is connected via Bluetooth. So tap on the device, and if you want to disconnect, you can just tap on disconnect, and now it's disconnected. But that device is still paired and it might connect again automatically, especially if that device is turned on and is trying to look for devices to pair. So to forget or unpair, tap on forget and then confirm you want to forget, and that device is now unpaired and it will never automatically connect to your phone. And that's basically how to disconnect and forget or unpair a Bluetooth device on your Google Pixel 8 or Pixel 8 Pro. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.